Can check engine light codes be false? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Well, the short answer is absolutely. So I'll give you a perfect example of how it can happen. We recently had a 2017 Honda Pilot come in here, and it had a code P0430. Now that code indicates that the catalytic converter on the spank 2 was not functioning efficiently. So typically you'd go, oh, that's the code. We go ahead and put a catalytic converter on it, which is very expensive. And in that case, it would not solve the problem in this one. The thing about catalytic converters is they require a specific air-fuel ratio to function properly. And in the case of this Honda, we did further testing and we determined that we had a problem with the fuel injectors, causing the air-fuel ratio to be a little too rich. So there you have a little example of the testing that needs to be done to make sure that the code is accurate and then what's actually causing the code. So I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.